I have this awesome makeup brush set here. It comes with so many, and it even comes in its own little container. So this is awesome for traveling, or if I'm just keeping this out on the counter to keep all my makeup brushes organized and easily accessible. These are all super, super soft. I love the like fine tips to them. They all feel super smooth. They're nice, like solid handle. I mean, I'd say these are a standard size makeup brush, but I'm amazed with how many you get in here for the price. So you have a nice like flat top brush. We have an angled flat top, so I like to use this for like kind of a contour. We have more of a pointed round brush, maybe for highlight, or again, maybe like really blending out that contour, like a cream contour. I'm not a makeup expert, but I love options with my makeup brushes. And this is just a great solid kind of round brush, like good for my powder, just overall blending. And there is more of a rounded angled brush as well. So we have like a rounded flat top and the rounded angle. So they give you all the options. And then we have all of these finer brushes, more for the eyes. Like this could honestly be a lip brush, or for getting in like a delicate spot around the eyes, a nice solid all over the eyelid. We have a nice little chiseled angle for that like gel eyeliner. This is like super for that gel eyeliner, like it's super fine tip. You can barely even see it. Has that special case around it if I'm doing something like super, super delicate. We have a nice kind of blending eyeshadow brush. This one, I'd say it's like a lip brush. You could use it for the eyes, but to me, it comes off as like a perfect little lip brush. All of these are super, super soft, and they don't like fall off. They don't flake off. They feel really solid. This one is awesome for that outer corner or your crease, that nice like kind of rounded firm top. A very fluffy blending brush, and then this little flat angled blending brush as well. So many great options in here. More than enough brushes to do a full face of makeup, but I love these. I love the quality. I'm truly amazed at how luxurious and soft these feel. They pick up product very easily, and they blend it all out. I've been really happy with them, and I love the rose gold appearance. Great quality. I love these.